With just 1 clove of garlic, you can eliminate cockroaches completely. Hello, it's great to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Cockroaches that crawl out of corners at night looking for food will be terrified of a familiar spice in your kitchen: garlic. With just a handful of garlic, you can easily get rid of an entire cockroach infestation in your house. Perhaps we've all experienced this. Thirsty in the middle of the night, you turn on the light and see cockroaches scurrying past. It's terrifying. Not only are cockroaches scary, they crawl everywhere, contaminate food, and carry a lot of harmful bacteria. Right in your kitchen is an incredibly effective natural weapon: garlic. In today's video, I'll show you how to use a simple handful of garlic to repel and kill cockroaches, making your kitchen cleaner and more pleasant. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. First, prepare a handful of fresh, juicy garlic. Peel the garlic cloves. Next, place the prepared garlic cloves on a clean cutting board. You can slice them thinly with a knife or crush them with the back of the knife. Don't be lazy at this step, as slicing or crushing will help release more of the pungent essential oils in the garlic through the cut surface. When crushed or chopped, the cellular structure of the garlic clove is broken down, releasing more allicin and other pungent volatile compounds. Next, finely chop the garlic. During this process, you will smell a very strong, pungent odor. This is a sign that the garlic is starting to repel insects. The more thoroughly the garlic is prepared, the more effective it will be at repelling and killing cockroaches. Next, place all the minced garlic into a clean bowl. Add 3 to 5 milliliters of dish soap. The surfactants in the dish soap will destroy the protective oil layer on the cockroach's body, causing them to dehydrate quickly, as well as paralyze and poison them. Once the 2 ingredients are ready, add enough hot water to the bowl and stir well. The heat of the hot water will help release the pungent active ingredients in the garlic more thoroughly and also completely dissolve the dish soap, allowing the 2 ingredients to combine more effectively. (3.841) After stirring well, cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap and let it soak for 20 minutes. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. During this time, the pungent compounds from the garlic will continue to infuse into the water and fully mix with the active ingredients of the dish soap. After soaking, the solution is ready to use. If you have a small spray bottle, filter the solution and pour it into the bottle for precise spraying. If not, use a clean, empty plastic bottle, pour the solution in, and poke a few small holes in the cap. This makes a simple cockroach spray. Kitchen countertops often attract cockroaches because of leftover food crumbs. Grease and soup splashes during cooking can easily stick to the surface and around the stove knobs, creating conditions that attract cockroaches. When spraying, don't just spray on the surface. Aim for wall crevices, countertop edges, and hidden corners of kitchen cabinets. When cockroaches run through the sprayed area, their protective layer of grease is destroyed, causing them to dehydrate quickly and eventually die from the continuous effects of the solution. This also blocks their food supply. Don't forget the trash can. The inside and outside of the trash can often contain leftover food and dirty water, attracting small flies throughout the house. In particular, the gaps between the bottom and sides of the trash can are a common gathering place for cockroaches. Even the bottom of the trash can shouldn't be overlooked. Spray several times to ensure the solution covers all the places where cockroaches hide. When cockroaches crawl through this area, the pungent smell of garlic will stimulate their nervous system, while the dish soap will poison and quickly kill them. The combination of garlic and dish soap creates a protective net, leaving the cockroaches nowhere to hide. If you're worried that spraying the solution all over the house might make surfaces slippery or sticky, there's a gentler way. Prepare a clean bowl, then add some baking soda. Baking soda can kill cockroaches thanks to its special chemical properties. Cockroaches' digestive systems cannot break down baking soda. When ingested, the baking soda reacts with stomach acid, producing a lot of CO2 gas, causing the cockroach's intestines to swell and rupture. This is a safe and effective physical extermination method, and it's also friendly to humans and pets. Then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of white sugar. The sugar acts as bait. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Next, add half a teaspoon of dish soap, then mix all 3 ingredients thoroughly. Cockroaches are extremely sensitive to sweetness. The smell of sugar will lure them to eat, making them lose their guard. The detergent and alkalinity in the mixture will increase the killing effect, while also destroying the protective oil layer on their bodies, causing dehydration. The dry powder form allows the mixture to easily adhere to the cockroach's body. They can carry the powder back to their nest, and other cockroaches in the nest will also be affected by eating or licking each other. Mix baking soda, sugar, and dish soap into a white paste. Place a small dish in areas where cockroaches frequently appear, such as kitchen cabinet corners, under the stove, next to the trash can, under the sink. 740 cockroaches are attracted by the sweet smell of sugar and will eat or carry the mixture back to their nest. Upon ingestion, a rapid gas-producing reaction occurs in their bodies, combined with the effect of dish soap, causing them to die quickly. The powder carried back to the nest will also spread and kill more cockroaches. After just a few days, you will see a significant reduction in the number of cockroaches. A simple solution to solve this nuisance in your home. Have you learned how to make a garlic spray and baking soda trap to kill cockroaches yet? If you find this tip helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this cockroach extermination tip with your friends. In the next video, I will share a surprisingly simple way to kill cockroaches using banana peels. Stay tuned. See you next time.